There's nothing like the sound of your kids laughing, especially when it's not followed by someone crying. This is our story of Lalandia. A place where family charged up energy is channeled into adventure, at least for a while. And what better way to do it than with some good friends that also has children. Hello, I'm Ronald Cruz, and here's what Lalandia Billund is like through the eyes of a young family. Driving through the holiday village feels like entering a small, cozy neighborhood designed entirely for families. We rented the classic +8, a holiday home that fits 2 families comfortably. It is a modern Nordic cabin design with wooden panels, big windows, and a warm, inviting entrance. It's the little things that hit you first. The smell of fresh wood, the wide living space, and knowing you have everything you need for a full family retreat. It has an open concept living room with large windows for natural light, along with a sofa group and TV. The dining table for 8 is perfect for starting the day with breakfast or concluding a busy day with some takeout food from the activity center. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a fridge, stovetop, microwave, dishwasher, and plenty of counter space. For those who are inclined to save money and time, you can cook your own meals here, which is less stressful than dining out with tired kids. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, there are 4 separate bedrooms and is tailored for 2 family stays. 2 rooms have double beds, and the other 2 rooms with twin beds for kids. Privacy and quiet included where parents can get some real rest while kids crash in their own rooms. Since we had an infant with us, we appreciated the baby-friendly amenities, which included a baby crib and a high chair. Another game changer for large families are the 2 bathrooms, equipped with showers, heated floors, and modern Scandinavian finishes. One of the bathrooms had the washing machine and tumble dryer, which is perfect for families with small children, while the other bathroom had a jacuzzi and a private sauna. This is what we paid for a 3-night stay in a classic +8. Since we were 2 families staying at this holiday home, we simply split the bill, which is a huge money-saving benefit. What makes staying here even more worthwhile is the included access of Aquadome and Monkey Tonky Land for the whole duration of your stay. A day access to Aquadome alone, from 3 years old and up, is around €45 per person. From the holiday homes to the Aquadome is roughly a 10 to 25-minute walk, depending on where your accommodations are. For us, it was around a 16-minute walk. Luckily, there was the Lalandia Express, which was a complimentary transfer service that picked up and dropped off guests along a specified route in the Lalandia area. The Lalandia Express went every 30 minutes. The Aquadome is easily the heartbeat of Lalandia. It's more than just a pool, it's an entire water kingdom designed for every age. If you've got toddlers and infants, start here. It's like a water wonderland, built for their height and your peace of mind. The spectacle of light and the many fountains was equally amusing for everyone, and immediately became a family favorite for us. The warm water pool is where the whole family can enjoy the warm waters together. The baby pool had plenty of toys and water play. The water's warm, and the small slide is a great feature of brief thrill. A neat feature we discovered were the portable storage cribs, where it doubled as a wagon to store your towels and belongings, as well as a crib for where your exhausted children could nap in. As a teaser version to the Wild River, the Lazy River is a relaxing and gentle current around the aqua playground. Gentle as it may be, it was still quite an effort just to catch up with the others. With the lazy river outlining the border of the Aqua Splash playground, this area was literally the playground of water surprises. Whether you're getting drenched by a giant bucket that empties 1,200 liters of water in a couple of seconds, or by the many water guns, the water fountains, or the small buckets that tip out from anywhere. It was surprising to say the least. As with any playground, there was a variety of slides that catered to children of all ages. The Wild River was another family favorite. It's gentle enough for kids and thrilling enough for adults. It winds out under the open sky, and you get to catch a pocket of fresh air before you're back inside the Aquadome again. If fresh open air is more to your likeness, then the heated outdoor spa pool is highly recommended. It has a versatile function where it connects to the indoor spa pool, making it a wonderful experience on both hot and cooler days. But if you're looking for a jaw-dropping moment, the wave pool is the place to be. Every 30 minutes, it erupts like the North Sea. It's chaos, energetic, and joyful. Thanks to the varying water depth from 0 to 1.5 meters. You simply choose the level of wildness to your liking. After the adrenaline, we discovered the secret cave pool. Low light, warm water, and surprisingly calming, it was a wonderful and colorful experience. When diving down underwater, you get to enjoy the beautiful sight of all the brightly colored tropical fish frolicking in a huge underwater tank just a few centimeters away. It's like a minor escape from Aquadome Central, but your children is still splashing next to you. After all, the water wading and swimming certainly works up an appetite. The food court is conveniently located next to the children's pool. The options to choose from were Asian, Italian, and American dishes. As you can see, we went for the Italian and American dishes. All in all, we found the culinary experience at the Aquadome food court a solid 4 out of 5. After sharing meals, we seized a couple of sun chairs by the children's pool for some rest and digest time. of the junior pool was also close by, with several water slides to choose from. This variety setup ensured that our children never grew bored of being there, especially with the abundant water toys and buckets in the children's pool. It was one of those sweet spot moments where the children could play around and have fun, while their parents were within reach. Especially a tired father recharging his batteries along with his youngest son. Lalandia isn't just slides and pools, it's a system designed for families to actually enjoy traveling with kids. No compromises, just connection. And if you're a parent wondering if this trip is worth it, 100% yes. Because for those 3 days, and for once, we didn't just survive the vacation, we actually lived it. If you're thinking of visiting Lalandia with your kids, do it. And if you've already been, what did your family love most? Thank you for watching and hope you have a good one.